what you all have been waiting for, a room tour. Here we go. This is my bedroom, guys. So, I don't know if you guys remember my old bedroom. It was painted lime green by mistake. It was supposed to be a very like earthy green, but when the painter came and I wasn't home, he decided to paint it lime green. So it took me a while to finally choose a color and repaint it. But here you go. There's a trunk and it has a bunch of my hoodies and like new clothes in there. Fake fur, okay? I would never ever buy real fur, so that's fake. It was a little nice cover up for the trunk. Here's my bed. White sheets. Gray throw. I really like this blanket because look at the cute elephant details. How cute. My favorite animals are tigers, cows, and elephants, and of course cats, but I'm talking about like wild animals. So as you can see, the theme is kind of like gray, white, a little bit of green, brown. There's some silver. But over here is my nightstand. Matches with my bed. It actually didn't come together, I bought it separately. And I have a little candle going just because, I don't know, I feel like in all YouTube videos, like, don't like makeup gurus and vloggers and YouTubers in general always have like a candle going. I don't know. I decided I would burn it today. By the way, I'm very picky about my candles. I like candles that have like a cologne scent, that smell like a sexy man, which is kind of funny. Like I like masculine scents. I don't really like fruity or girly scents. I like more wood, musky, sexy scents, if that makes sense. And then we have a little fake succulent up here. Let me see if I can get better lighting. We have a succulent hanging right there. Curtains. I'm supposed to put another plant in that one. And then we have mirrors hanging on top. And starting here, this is like a hidden drawer area and it's just like extra makeup and like extra stuff I have that I don't have anywhere else to put, so I place them in these drawers. My laptop, what I edit on. This area is supposed to be my reading nook area, but I haven't customized it yet, so that's something I need to work on. Okay, now let's get to the dresser. So I have like this little lantern decoration, some binder clips, bobby pins, change, like miscellaneous stuff. I have these desk tags. Well, if you guys don't know, my major is early childhood development, so the future for Kenza, aka me, inshallah, I'm going to be a teacher, so that is why I have this stuff here. And these two were actually gifts, so it's really nice. And then I have some of the books I've been reading, and then of course I have a bunch of candy because hello, it's me, Kenza. And then the peace sign, that was also a gift, and I thought, you know what's funny is this actually came gold, but I spray painted it silver just to like kind of match everything. This was also like a rusty brown, but it didn't match properly with my dresser, and only spray paint I had was silver, so I just spray painted that as well. Spray paint is like my best friend. There's me. Hi. I look like a bum, just ignore me, I'm in PJs. Also on my dresser I have this picture frame. That is my daughter. I'm just kidding. That's not my daughter. I wish, like, she's gorgeous. Look how cute she is. But no, I have to find a picture to place in this really nice frame. I was thinking about a picture of like Momo, which is my cat. I don't know what else to really put in there. I have a crystal clock here because I realized I didn't have like a clock anywhere in my room, or like a alarm clock, and sometimes my phone is dead or like downstairs and I don't know what time it is from my room, so this is pretty convenient to have. And this little tray thingy-majiggy, this was actually spray painted by me as well. It was like gold and I spray painted it because I taped everything and covered the glass part, and I spray painted this, spray painted that. So I was like, okay. And I also spray painted this. I just spray paint everything. But yeah, I haven't put anything in there yet. But usually it's like when I take off earrings or like small little rings and stuff like that, I just place it in there so I can see it. This just has iPhone jacks and hair ties. This is another candle. And then this is just all my stuff. White perfumes, moisturizers, creams, whatever I actually use is all here. I don't have much, as you guys can see. Like, this is all I really use. And the stuff I use on a daily I keep in the front. And then I have my, what is this called? roller, hair removal roller, or I don't know, I forgot what it's called, but the sticky roller that takes cat hair off. Of course, if you have cats, you need one of those. But yeah, that's my dresser, and then I also have like lights hanging from them. And then over here in this basket is just also like miscellaneous things. And then of course we have the full-size mirror where I take my full outfit pics, or like if I need to see how my full outfit looks. But yeah. Oh, and then I have this carpet over here. I don't know if you guys saw the carpet earlier. It's nothing crazy. And then on the back of my door, I have a little door hanger to hang my towels, just because when I keep my towels in my bathroom, they get jacked by my siblings because we all share one bathroom. So that is why I try to get a different color, and I just keep it in my room now. But yeah. And then my closet, of course. If you guys want to see my closet, I don't know, it's not really set. It's a little messy. But here's my closet. My purses, scarves, and then all my suits are here. And then there's some drawers over here that also have like random stuff like socks, tights, leggings, tank tops. And then my robes are also on this side. And then on this side, we have all my jeans that I don't really wear because when do you ever see me wearing jeans? But I have so many. And then sweaters, shirts, all hung here. And then all my jackets and sweaters are also here. But like my hoodies and everything are in this trunk. But those are my jackets. But yeah, that's my room, guys. I hope you enjoyed. But yeah, so that is my room tour, you guys. I don't know what else to really show you. If you have questions on where I bought things or where I got things from, just comment down below. I'll try to reply to as many as I can, just to like let you know. But a lot of this stuff was pretty cheap because a lot of it I found online or at like Ross, if you guys know what Ross is, and like Marshall's, even Walmart, Target. But I'm telling you, oh, and IKEA, of course. But a lot of this stuff you can find online. I'm telling you, Amazon is like my best friend. But I hope you enjoyed this little mini room tour. And yeah, okay, goodbye.